हिंदी इंग्लिश क्लास चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। क्या तुमने चाय बना ली है? Have you made the tea yet? Have you made the tea yet? मुझे आज बहुत काम करना है। I have a lot of work today. I have a lot of work today. तुमने उसे अपने निर्णय बताया? Did you tell him your decision? Did you tell him your decision? क्या तुमने सब्जी खरीद ली? Did you buy the vegetables already? Did you buy the vegetables already? हम शाम को बाहर जा सकते हैं? Can we go out this evening? Can we go out this evening? तुम्हें अपना कमरा साफ करना चाहिए। You should clean your room now. You should clean your room now. तुमने नई फिल्म देखी है क्या? Have you seen the new movie? Have you seen the new movie? मुझे आज थोड़ा समय चाहिए। I need some time today. I need some time today. क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? तुम्हारे पास मेरा बैग है? Do you have my bag now? Do you have my bag now? क्या तुमने मेरी मदद की? Did you help me with it? Did you help me with it? वो अपना काम पूरा कर चुका। He has completed his work already. He has completed his work already. तुमने आज का समाचार सुना? Did you hear today's news? Did you hear today's news? मुझे अब कुछ खाने दो। Let me eat something now. Let me eat something now. क्या तुम इस किताब को पढ़ोगे? Will you read this book today? Will you read this book today? तुम्हें किस समय निकलना है? What time do you need to leave? What time do you need to leave? मैंने पहले ही टिकट बुक किया। I already booked the tickets today. I already booked the tickets today. क्या तुमने पानी पिया है? Did you drink water just now? Did you drink water just now? वो कल हमारे साथ आएगा। He will come with us tomorrow. He will come with us tomorrow. तुम्हें ये जानकारी कैसे मिली? How did you get this information? How did you get this information? Thank you for watching this video. ऐसे ही और वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें। तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। धन्यवाद।